Hello everyone, good evening. It's been a while since my last video and I would like to introduce to you all the first prototypes from Abyssus TCG. And basically we have here one of the first drawings of the cards. This is the Forest Witch and we're just starting prototyping phase. I mean, it was been very intense weeks that we did many interviews with potential customers. We also had interviews with people correlate to the business and also what people like, what people love, what is beautiful, what's not beautiful, what is about a good texture, what is about a good mechanic, what is about a good design. And we were able to summarize everything and try to come up with some hypotheses and consequently some prototypes. So here you can see some drawings examples. Also, I was quite impressed that not only using the draft printing quality, but the regular printing quality, it's also pretty good. You can also read the text, it's readable, and the texture is not that bad. Probably I'm going to glue another layer of paper just to get like a better stiffness of the card, but as a prototype is very good. So something that we learned in design thinking is that prototypes usually should address one element in specific that you want to prototype and test. So in this case I want to prototype mechanics, so design was just something that came along the way but also did not take time from us, which was very important. And we have Sharpies to take notes and change stats, and that's the best part about having physical prototypes. So whenever you want to change a mechanic, it's just an agreement between the players, and whenever you need to again create new stats, you can easily take a pen, mark it, and it's basically done, which is something that you do not have in a digital version, where then you have to code again, debug, implement, and check if it's exactly what you expected. So even if you're building, so in our case we're building both the physical and the digital version, and in this case it made sense to all the first prototypes and iterations do everything on paper, and from this point on start building the digital game. And another thing that I want to share with you all is that I was able to build the first, it's going to be mirrored, but the first board to play. And basically imagine like 5 creature fields, so Abyssus TCG on the top. And I came up with 5 fields, just an idea, probably bring something up. And I was thinking about some artifacts that would come together with the game, as well as some event fields. And the best part is that it was the first time in my life that I used a laser cutter. I have one here in the HQ that I'm incubated, and it was a very fun experience and interesting. It took me, I think, 20 minutes to get to know the software, and you can basically enter in a command, type the text, and you'll just have like a tool to draw the lines. So I was just creating the lines, putting the text that I wanted, and the laser cutter asks you if you want to go through the wood layer, if you want to just mark the boundaries, or if you want to go a little bit deeper. So here it was actually a mistake because it was filling the drawing, and then I said that I didn't want it, so I just found this new function that you just go on the layers. So it was very good, and this artistic process is very interesting. So I do this on my free time, and it makes a lot of fun. So I'm happy to share with you all, and hope that you also get some new updates from my site very, very, very soon. So we're gonna have the second board, probably the same as this one or with minor adjustments. And also this is the nature deck or forest deck, and I'm also planning to do the fire deck and probably something as a dark deck. Let's see how it goes and how the mechanics behavior. From this point on, I have tested with 7 people already the game, and the feedback has been quite good, so far so good. But every person, as every new TCG, usually there's a lot of text to be reading, the mechanics need to be explained, and our chatbot is also in the pipeline. I might also record my screen in the next video and show it the interaction. And the idea is that you have an onboarding that's very interactive, so it's not get heavy when you are trying to learn a new TCG. Good, I'm very happy to share this with you all and wish you a pleasant day. See ya!